Learn how to make my famous caramel buttercream that we served in my bake shop for over a decade. Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Plus, I'm going to show you how to get that perfect caramel swirl on top of your cakes too. Start by adding 226 grams of softened butter to a stand mixer. Your butter should be very soft, as you can see here. Next, add in 454 grams of sifted powdered sugar. Last, add in 57 grams of my homemade true caramel sauce. I'll link this recipe in the description. This is the secret ingredient in this frosting. You want to be sure to make the caramel sauce ahead of time and that it's cooled to room temperature before making the frosting. Mix on low until combined and then speed the mixer up to high and mix for a few minutes. Make sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl to ensure everything is mixed together and there's no chunks of butter. Continue mixing until the frosting is light and fluffy. This can take anywhere from about 3 to 10 minutes depending on how soft your butter is, so don't be afraid to mix it until it's smooth and creamy. Once the frosting is smooth and creamy, then it's ready to use on cakes, cupcakes, brownies, or cookies. And now I'm going to show you how to get that perfect caramel swirl on your cake. Frost the cake just using a cake spatula using a rustic technique. This does not have to be perfect, as you can see. Then add small dollops of caramel sauce all around the cake. Using the back of a spoon, swirl the caramel into the frosting. This can be totally rustic and freeform, as you can see. And it's that simple. If you want more bakery-style recipes and tips like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.